have you ever felt you might be compensating for something with your sword?
What do you mean?
I don't think you're dealing with your problems in a healthy way. I mean, you're wearing a mask.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are!
Okay, yes, I am.
Is this about your nose?
Yes.
I think the problem is that you're indecisive.
It's his problem. He's always been like that. No, I'm not. You're always contradicting me.
Guess...
You're always whining about stuff. At least I don't snore.
I don't think this is helping.
I do not snore. You're the one who's always humming in the elevator.
No, seriously. It was like talking to an old married couple. Wait, that sounded just plain wrong. So, how are you feeling today? Okay. Seriously, I'm not going back into that room. I believe the absence of a father figure has caused you to model yourself after a fictional character. Do you read a lot of comic books?
No.
I must be thinking of a different Aquaman. Okay, I believe what's happened is that the shock has caused you to regress to an infantile level, and we need to deal with this. Please concentrate. This is serious.
Uh-oh. I think I made a pee-pee.
But I think we can deal with the issue soon enough. So, Mr. Astro Man.
What? How many times must I tell you is not Astro Man, it's Austrian Man! Austrian Man!
Well, if you keep hiding your problems, they'll just keep piling up until you feel explosive. I mean, what I'm trying to say is that there's no reason to blow up. Complain. I mean, what I'd like you to do is put all these bombs, put all these problems behind you and blast off, set off for a new future. How does that blow up? I mean, sound.
Fuck it.
So, how was your day?